information, because even if you choose your trades properly, even if you know the markets well and you do your analysis properly, if you don't take care of any of these issues that we discussed, your trading outcome is unlikely to be very successful. So these are all pitfalls and challenges and discipline requirements that every trader has to go through. Most of the good traders have made several of these mistakes, and in fact, truth be told, we continue to make some of these mistakes. So the goal is to get control of your emotion, to get control of your risk management approach, and have a trading discipline. And every now and then you'll make a mistake, but make sure you learn from those mistakes and do not repeat them again. And that's critical. We're going to cover very important skills and very important topics, but they are much more of the softer kind. And but they are equally critical. They are as critical to your analysis skills or your trade entry skills and all of that. So this is the course agenda for this course, the Trading Discipline and Risk Management course. So first of all, before you trade, before you start trading regularly, you need to understand what kind of a trader you are. Every trader is different, and you might have a full-time job, so obviously day trading is out of the question. But you could be a position trader, or a swing trader, or a long-term trader, and I'll explain the differences between these. But depending on what kind of trader you are, you've got to do your analysis for that kind of an outlook. And then once you get into the trade, you need to know a few things. When do you enter? When do you exit? And between your entry and your exit, what are you going to do? So which means if the trade goes in your way, what are you going to do? If it goes against you, then what are you going to do? And it all depends on what kind of a trader you are. So your outlook is very important. So if you're a day trader, then obviously that's your full-time job and you're going to be looking at the markets constantly. So even a $1 move in a stock might make you make some changes. And that's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. But if you're a swing trader, then your position outlook is anywhere from 2 weeks to 2 months. So then what kind of a positions do you take? How do you analyze your entry? And what kind of adjustment points would you be considering? And finally, when would you want to exit your trade? Similarly, a position trader holds a trade from anywhere from 1 month to 6 months. And a long-term trader is going to hold it anywhere from 3 months to 2 years. Depending on which kind of a trader you are, you have to have an appropriate outlook. And you have to tailor your analysis skills, you have to tailor your chart reading skills, and finally you have to tailor your entry and exit and all the points in between based upon the kind of trader you are. In my case, I'm mostly a swing trader, so I plan to hold a position anywhere from 10 days to about a month and a half if required. But usually what ends up happening is, if the position goes into a good profit, then it hits my profit goals. So there's two ways to look at these things. One is a profit goal,